Hi guys, right in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $100 Forex No Deposit Bonus that you can start trading with immediately. So all you have to do is just watch this video from beginning to end, as I'll be showing you guys the terms and conditions required in claiming this particular bonus. So do well to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification box so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop update like this on how you can make money online. So to get this particular account, check the description. You'll find a link that will direct you to my Telegram channel, where you see the link that will bring you to their home page where you can claim this particular bonus. So let's get right into claiming this particular bonus. As you can see, you have to fill in your first name, your country, then you have to create a password and also do well to agree to the terms and conditions. So I will fill in mine now. So I'll fill in my first name and I will get right back to the video. Okay, then you have to also verify that you're a human after you fill all your details. Then this is me after I've verified now. So as you can see, for security code, you have to do these things, but I will do this later. I choose to do this later. Okay, so the next thing now, as you can see, this is the home page after you verify that you are a human. Then you have to click on earn $100 now. I will do that. I'll click on that now. So, as I've said earlier, the terms and conditions, these are the requirements. You have to join their Telegram channel, join their YouTube, and also their WhatsApp community, and also attend the webinar meeting. So, I'll join their Telegram channel now so to get verified. As you can see, I've been verified. I'll also join their YouTube. I've been verified. Also, their WhatsApp community. Then the last one for you to be able to claim this particular bonus is they're having a webinar. They're having a webinar on the 20th of this month. So you have to also attend the webinar. So for more information about the webinar, you can also do well to just check their Telegram channel. You know you've joined their Telegram channel. So for more updates about how the webinar will go, just go to their Telegram channel for more updates. So have you been able to get this particular bonus? Have you been able to get this particular bonus? So let me know in the Telegram, in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to get this particular bonus, or if there's anywhere you find difficult in getting it. So do well to join my Telegram channel.